What is up, guys? Face Sports here, and I'm going to do a vlog today. Today's Sunday, May 1st, and we're just gonna hang out with fam. A cat under a car. It's been meowing there for like the past 3 or 4 days, so yeah. Now, what is up, guys? Face Sports here, and I'm just here in the rain. I had to pull out the camera, you know, and yeah, it's just raining. I'm getting soaked. I'm walking to my brother's house. Yeah, as you can hear, there's a lot of rain. Just wanted to just shoot something so I could make for the vlog. It's raining like crazy. As you see, some people over there. Right there. It's raining like crazy. As you see, that's my shirt. It's not getting soaked. We're fine right now. But I just missed it. But like 5 seconds before I started recording, there's this big thunder that lasted for like 15 seconds. No joke. So yeah. We're just here walking, and surprisingly not getting like drenched. My phone is might be dead. The rain is real. The rain is real. Face Sports here, and right now I'm talking a little low because I have to be quiet. Right now it's raining like crazy, and we're trying to go into a golf cart and try to go home because we're now at my brother's house. It's on the same street, so we're just gonna try to run to the car. Golf cart, and yeah. Bye. Okay, so right now we're trying to go to the golf cart. Come on, go! We're getting drenched. Start the freaking car. Let's go. Let's go. We're getting drenched. Oh shit! Come! Where did it go? Now in the car. Okay. Oh my god. We waited a little bit because it was raining like crazy. Now it's crazy.
See, that's the door open. Should we wait for them?
What door?
See? The house door.
Why?
I don't believe it's gonna be 95 degrees.
It's gonna be 95 degrees?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are they there? I want to stop here.
Yeah, we're gonna stop. Right there. We're right there. Now we're right here. Are you kidding me?
Guys, go, check this out. Go.
Are they driving? Oh, go.
No!
Oh, we gotta go.
Come on, we gotta go.
Oh, look at all these patches, of water. Back here too. See all the patches of water. What are you doing?
Oh, they're coming! Come on!
Dude, they're going. Let's go. What is it? They're barely coming. They're right. I can't find them, but whatever. They're right there. Right there, somewhere over there. But yeah. Gotta go, dude.
We're almost there. Come on, you just.
We're almost there. Look at this massacre, Look at this.
Go!
Look at that. Just look at it.
Drive fast!
Look at the massacre right there. I don't know. Oh my god. Look at that. No! Dumbass! Damn it! What are you doing?
Let it go!
Watch the car break down.
Have the brakes. Come on!
Oh my god, you're dumb! It is cold, I told you.
It's cold as hell!
It's 60 degrees or something like that, and we're going 20 miles an hour. It feels like hell. Dumbass! Oh, dumbass! Dude, we're gonna get sick. Elijah, we're gonna get sick.
Son como dos porque sí.
Vamos a seguir. Ahí está, mira. No puedo.
Dad, you get it.
Ya se fue. ¡Ah! Tengo música. Póngale de lado.